So I just recently ran into a stupid little problem while trying to install this new ATI stock. A floppy bolt. As you can see, the bolt was not attached. I went ahead and assembled it and inserted the bolt. And as everyone knows, that back tang is going to have a screw in there, so you can't get access to it to take it out and reattach it. So you're kind of stuck in there with your bolt. Sear won't engage, so you can't get the bolt out. And this is how you fix that. Seem to have jiggled loose the spring from the firing pin, so I am loose, floppy, and I cannot get this sucker out of there. So let's go ahead and rectify that real quick. I'm going to take a piece of cloth, wrap it around my trigger. I don't want to mar it up. Let's grab some pliers, grab the trigger. I'm going to pull it down towards the bottom of the gun and slightly turn it. And there we go. So once again, you're going to want to use something to cover your trigger. You're going to want to pull it forward and kind of twist it out of the way so you can kind of see it'll get your sear out of there. Kind of pull it forward, down, and just wiggle your bolts a little bit, and you should get it out, and now you can disassemble like normal. And it was a super simple, stupid problem. All that happened was this small little pin got knocked out when I was moving around and adjusting it, so it wasn't connected anywhere. Dumb mistakes like that cost you time. So yeah, if you got a floppy bolt problem, that's how you take care of it. A pair of pliers, a little pair of cloth, a little bit of elbow grease, and you'll be back up and running in no time. And it just reminds you, slow down a little bit so you to avoid making mistakes, because that cost me about 30 minutes of researching. So I'll try and avoid that for the next person. All right, till the next one.